Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am making oven baked crispy chicken wings. And as you can see here, I do have chicken wings and drumlets as well. I'm taking my paper towel and just drying off the excess water that is on the wings, and you want to keep this very dry, and that's how it becomes very crispy. After drying it off, I'm putting in about half tablespoon of oil, half tablespoon of ground paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and some salt and pepper. And now the secret ingredient to this is baking powder. I have about 8 tablespoons of this, and it makes these chicken wings and drumlets very crispy. And now let's mix everything up and make sure that all of that drumlet and chicken wings are coated very nicely, especially with that baking powder. Once it's all mixed up, as you can see here, I have my pan, and I did put a little grill on top and putting in cooking spray. And with the cooking spray, actually it won't be sticking to that grill. They're not sticking together, and the reason why I'm putting in the grill is just so that all that fatty liquid that drops right down, just that it drains away from our meat. One more thing that I do want to mention is that if you do want to marinate the chicken for a few hours or even overnight, definitely do so. The flavor will infuse in the meat, but for this video I did make it right away into the pan because honestly I was super hungry, so and it tasted very good as well without marinating it for a few hours, so that worked really nicely. And now I'll be putting in the chicken wings and the drumlets in the oven for about 300 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. As you can see here, it became golden a little bit, and I'll be flipping that over and putting it back into the oven at about 425 Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. And this part actually crisps up the outside of the chicken, and it just makes it really crunchy. And this is it. This is my version of the crispy oven chicken wings and drumlets. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And definitely go ahead and have this with some hot sauce or ranch if you prefer. And this is it. Thank you very much for watching.